The Children's Advocacy Alliance released its latest report card today.
Yeah, the state again scored very low, receiving an overall grade of D. The report card scores health, child safety, education, and economic well-being. Health and economic well-being received grades of D, while safety improved to a C-. Education remained an F. The grades reflect how Nevada compared to other states. Data shows families and children in Nevada do not have access to the resources needed to thrive here.
We do want to emphasize that we're making improvements, but our grade really depends on not only how Nevada is improving, but also how states across the country are improving.
A new legislative briefing outlined ideas on how to improve the state. The report card helps show legislators where Nevada does fall short. Well, one area falling short is juvenile justice in the safety category.
Now, data shows weapons on school campuses continue to increase, as does, of course, the fear of violence. A trend we're seeing this year right here at Clark County Schools. 8 News Now reporter Kristen Drummond joining us now live in the studio with the breakdown for us tonight. Kristen.
Denise and Brian, the juvenile violence ranking, which is a D+, is based on a number of factors from high school violence, weapons on campus, dating violence, juvenile justice, and fear of violence. Information making it unsettling for some to see the reality in our state.
Where we lack, the violence creeps in.
And it keeps creeping on Nevada school campuses.
It's an issue that we need to look into a little bit more about why some of these things are happening.
Data from the 2018 Nevada Children's Report Card shows an increase of weapons on school campuses. Also, a fear of violence remains above the national average since 2011.
I think the graph was really a mirror of Clark County.
Jageda Chambers works for People's Action. The national organization assists the most marginalized communities, including here in Clark County.
We're finding weapons on a regular basis now. How do we assess that in our community?
Yesterday, a 15-year-old boy was arrested for bringing a gun to Sunrise Mountain High School. It was the 11th gun-related arrest of a CCSD student since the school year started in August.
What we're deeming trying to help these kids, it's obviously not working because we see the numbers ticking up.
Some indicate it begins with targeting students' economic well-being, an area of focus in the 2019 legislative briefing book.
You have to be able to have access and environments that support you to be able to make some of the choices.
That requires funding, according to children's advocates, all wanting to try and improve outcomes for children.
We're going to have to find a way to get in and address these youths to know that violence isn't the answer.
Some add there's a need to create a safe environment for children. Now, despite where the state keeps performing poorly, coming up at 6, see the areas of improvement in the failing grades from education to health. Back to you.